Good morning, children. Standard 8. Today's topic is tenses and their uses. When we talk about tense, it talks about the time at which a particular event has taken place. So let's see what is the definition of tense. The tense of a verb, we see point number C. The tense of a verb shows the time of action or event. It also indicates the state of action. Very important, children. The state of action and the time of action or event. We all know there are three kinds of tenses, namely the present tense, which talks about the current time, past tense, the events or actions which has already happened in the past, and future tense, those events which are planned for the time to come or in the future it would happen. Further, I will take you through a chart which will be very helpful for all of you. If you can see this chart, it very clearly talks about the tenses of the verb, and the verb here is to love. Okay, so I request all of you to make this chart for your proper understanding of the subject. Here we are going to cover all the tenses: present, past and future. We all know that we have seen the three tenses are further divided into four categories or four classes. In these four classes, we see the simple tense, the continuous tense, perfect tense, and the perfect continuous tense. If we talk about the present tense, we have to again keep in mind the voice. We all know there are two voices, active voice and passive voice. We have to learn how to use these verbs in the right form so that your sentence is correct. So under active voice, it says, I love, under simple present. Under continuous, present continuous tense, I am loving. Under perfect present tense, I have loved. And perfect continuous, I have been loving. Under passive voice, I am loved. I am being loved under present continuous tense. And present perfect, I have been loved. Next, there is no sentence or there is no form of this verb under perfect continuous. Let's see how the past tense will be formed here. Under active voice, simple past, I loved. Past continuous, I was loving. Past perfect, I had loved. Past perfect continuous, I had been loving. Under passive voice, simple past, I was loved. Past continuous, I was being loved. Then you have past perfect, I had been loved, and there is no sentence or no such form of verb under perfect continuous. The last tense is future tense. Again, under active voice, simple future, I shall love. And under continuous, future continuous, I shall be loving. Future perfect, I shall have loved. Future perfect continuous, I shall have been loving. Under passive voice, future simple future, I shall have loved. There are no such sentence or the formation of the verb under continuous tense, future continuous tense, and under future perfect continuous. So the next one that we see is future perfect tense. It talks about I shall have been loved. This chart is very important for your understanding, children. Go ahead, make a note of this. Make this chart in your notebook that you have been making all the notes on, so that you understand it better, and then we will discuss about the further understanding of the further tenses in category wise, like present tense, past tense and future tense in the next video. So please make a note, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.